Hi, I'm Emily, and I am the lead 3D artist here at CSM. I'm going to show you how you can export your CSM mesh for 3D printing. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure you download in a mesh from the CSM website, either one you generated or one from the showcase. I chose the minion and I imported him into Blender, and I'm just adjusting the mesh just so he sits right on the x-axis and he is nice and neat. I want him to be turning completely straight forward, no leaning, and apply all transfers, so the scale and location and rotations is all set to 0. So a good add-on to help make sure your 3D asset is all good for 3D printing, you're going to want to go to Preferences, Add-ons, and then search for the 3D Print add-on. This is going to help make sure that your mesh is solid and there is no holes or non-manifolds, which will mess up any mesh for 3D printing. When you have it, it should pop up on this little side over here, and we're going to press all the drop-down boxes, and we are going to do the first initial check all status. So when you press check all, it's going to show you if you have any non-manifolds and things like that. We do not want non-manifolds, so we're going to press make manifold, and it's going to get rid of some edges and faces for you automatically. Sometimes it can be a bit weird, so we're going to double check it again and press check all once again. Do this until you get 0 on the non-manifolds. Once everything looks good, we're going to go into edit mode, and we are going to select all vertices and go to mesh and then go up to cleanup, and then we're going to delete any loose geometry. I didn't have any, which is good. We're going to do this again, go to cleanup, and then we're going to degenerate dissolve. I didn't have anything, and so we're going to go back and we're going to merge vertices. This is going to merge any vertices that are either overlapping each other or super close. Once you get done with that, we're going to run the check all once again. I did it and got 0, so everything looks nice and clean. Last thing I like to do is run a smooth mesh. You just right click and click smooth mesh. And now we are going to export it. We're going to go to File, Export, and then make sure you export it as an STL. For the options, just make sure you click Selected Only. You can change the scale, but you can also do that in the 3D printing slice program, whichever one you have. So I'm just going to leave it as 1, and you are all good. This is ready to be taken into the slice program for your 3D printing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!